In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add employees to a pay run in Xero. If you've ever opened a draft pay run and noticed that an employee is missing, don't worry. It's usually just a pay frequency setting that needs to be updated. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can fix it quickly and make sure everyone is included correctly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the important reset step that refreshes your pay run properly. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is make sure the employee is assigned to the correct pay frequency. This is the most common reason why someone doesn't appear in a pay run. From your Xero dashboard, click on Payroll in the top menu, then select Employees. This will open your full employee list. Find the employee who is missing from the pay run and click on their name to open their profile. Once inside the employee record, click on the Employment Information tab. This section controls how and when the employee gets paid. Look for the Pay Frequency field. This is very important because your pay run will only include employees who match the selected frequency. For example, if you're running a standard monthly pay run, but the employee is set to weekly, they will not appear in that pay run. So click the drop-down menu and select the correct pay frequency, such as standard monthly or whatever frequency you are using. After selecting the correct pay frequency, scroll down and click Save. This ensures the employee is now aligned with the correct payroll schedule. Now that the employee's frequency is correct, the next step is to update the pay run itself. Go back to the Payroll menu and click on Pay Employees. Here you'll see your list of pay runs. Open the draft pay run that you're currently working on. If the employee was previously missing, you might not see them immediately, even after fixing their frequency. That's because the draft pay run was already created before the change was made. To refresh it properly, you'll need to reset the pay run. In the top right corner of the draft pay run screen, click on Pay Run Options. From the drop-down menu, select Reset Pay Run. Xero will ask you to confirm this action. Click Confirm. What this does is refresh the draft pay run and re-poll all employees who are assigned to that specific pay frequency. Once the reset is complete, you should now see the missing employee included in the pay run. At this point, review the employee's pay details to ensure everything looks correct, including salary or wages, deductions, and any leave applied. If everything is accurate, you can continue processing payroll as normal. And that's it. The key steps are making sure the employee has the correct pay frequency assigned, saving the changes, and then resetting the draft pay run so Xero refreshes the employee list. If this video helped you solve the issue, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Xero payroll tutorials. I post simple, practical guides to help you save time and avoid common mistakes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.